Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. In today's video, I've got a new Bluetooth speaker to show you all. This Bluetooth speaker is entirely made of wood and has a vintage radio-like looks. It's Ubon's brand new speaker and the model is SP50 wooden Bluetooth speaker. So in this video, I'll unbox it and give my full review on the product. Let's get started. So the Ubon SP50 comes in this sort of box packing. It's a powerful stereo wooden speaker that can produce a max output of around 20 watts. Okay, let's see what's written on the box. Over here it says this thing can produce Big Daddy bass. So I guess the bass on it is special, we'll have to see about that. The model is SP50 wooden wireless speaker and we've got a picture of the product over here. This is how it looks like. Okay, let's just turn around the box and check out all of its features. This speaker can play music via USB, has Bluetooth 4.0 support, also has FM radio, offers 6 hours of battery life and also supports microSD cards. Below that we've got the specs of this product. It's a stereo speaker, has 2.5-inch drivers that can produce 10 watts each. So that means it can produce a maximum output of 20 watts. The frequency response range is from 60 Hz to 15 kHz and comes with a built-in 2000 mAh battery. So those are all of its specs. Now let's finally get started with the unboxing. Let's open the box and check out the product. I want to thank Ubon for sending me this product for review. Okay, on opening the box we've got the speaker at the top. Let me just take it out. Oh, along with that we also got some accessories over here. I'll show them to you in a moment. First let me show you the speaker. It comes nicely packed in this foam packaging. And here it is guys, our Ubon's brand new SP50 vintage looking wooden speaker. Wow, it looks really nice. I'll come back to that in a moment. First let me show you the other stuff which we got in the box. You get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable and a USB cable for charging the speaker. So that's it, these are all the items we got in the box packing. Now let me finally show you the speaker. So this is how the Ubon SP50 looks like. It's got a beautiful vintage design and I really like this wood finish on it. Looks like a premium quality product. On the front side you got the Ubon branding over here and behind the grill if you observe carefully you can actually see the stereo speakers behind them. They're 2.5-inch drivers and each of them can produce around 10 watts. This front grille on it is made of plastic while the remaining enclosure is entirely made of wood and love the texture on the surface. And guys, you see this slot over here at the top? It's a smartphone holder, so you can place your phone in there whenever you're listening to music or watching videos. Above that you've got the control panel. There's a volume control knob over here which feels very smooth and below that you've got some buttons which include a mode button, a music skip or previous track buttons and a music play pause button. So those are all the media control buttons. Now let's see what do we have at the back side. So going to the back we've got some connectivity ports. Let me show them to you. There's a DC in port for charging the speaker, an aux port, a microSD card slot, a USB port, power on or slide switch and a status LED indicator. So that's it, these are all the available ports on it. And this is how the bottom side looks like. We've got 4 foot pads on all the 4 corners and some info regarding the product. Well, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's just power it on, pair it with my phone, play some music and see how the audio on it sounds like. Also, I've told you guys about the phone holder slot, right? You can easily place your phone over there either in portrait or landscape mode just like this. It's very convenient and super useful while watching movies or any kind of videos on YouTube. Alright, let me just turn it on and pair it with my phone.
Welcome to Ubon World. Bluetooth mode.
There you go. Okay, let's play some music and check out the audio quality. The audio quality was really good for the price. The speaker was producing natural and warm sound all thanks to that wooden enclosure. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow and I could easily understand all the dialogues. The treble quality was also very nice. Coming to the bass, oh yes, it was definitely having that Big Daddy bass which they were talking about. I really liked the bass on it, it was punchy and powerful. On the overall, the audio quality was very good on this wooden speaker and much better than the normal ones. The THD was also very less even at 85% volume level well, and the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. Based on my experience, I felt this speaker was producing around 15 watts of output and is more than enough to have a good party in your room. The Uban SP50 also has a microphone on it, and the mic quality was decent during call conversations. Talking about the battery life, it has a 2000 mAh built-in battery and the battery life was good. On an average, I was getting around 5 to 6 hours of music playtime at 80% volume level, and charging it from 0 to 100 took about 2 hours. So that was my video on Uban's new powerful stereo wooden wireless speaker. It's a really good sounding product. The build quality is nice, I love the vintage looks with the wooden finish, and the audio quality was also great. The best part is it even has FM radio and supports wide connectivity options like SD cards, USB and also aux. This speaker costs around 2,990 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.